Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing this afternoon and which stocks are actually buzzing in trade, which are moving and which are tanking in trade. So talking about the markets, when you look at the markets, they are off the day's low but still trading in the red, both the Nifty as well as the Sensex, both the benchmark indices trading around 0.08% down in trade as of now. Sensex below the 48,000 mark, 49,000 mark, and trading around 48,400 levels, while the Nifty trading around the 14,490 levels, so close to 14,500 levels. So some pressure building in on the markets today. Talking about the broader markets as well, we are seeing some broader markets are underperforming the benchmark indices, the Nifty mid cap as well as the small cap surely underperforming, down more than 1/4% in trade. Sector-wise, if you look at the sectoral performances, when you look at it overall, in terms of the sector-wise, we're seeing only two sectors that have been performing well today and trading on the positive side. That is the Nifty Metal as well as the Nifty Pharma. So Nifty Metal up 1.2% in trade as of now, while Nifty Pharma also trading around 1% higher in trade. Nifty Auto, Nifty PSU Banks as well as Nifty Media are something that is dragging the benchmark indices as well. So let's keep an eye out on that. Now overall, when you talk about individual stocks, obviously Infosys has been in focus after its Q4 earnings yesterday, as well as the announcement of the buyback of shares by the company as well. Other than that, we are seeing Eicher Motors, which is in focus. It's down as much as 3.7% in trade after HSBC has downgraded Eicher Motors to a hold from a buy, and as it thinks that the risk reward is unfavorable, especially after the re-rating in the last 1 year, and it keeps the target price at rupees 2,600. So surely Eicher Motors under pressure after this note as well. And overall, the auto sector is also something that has been weak today in trade as well. Other than that, we have Wipro, which is actually buzzing in trade ahead of its earnings. It's 2.86% up ahead of its earnings today. So let's keep an eye out on Wipro earnings, important Q4 earnings coming out for Wipro. Aditya Birla Capital also in focus. The stock is up as much as 3% after the board has given a nod for the IPO of its unit Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC. Now the company is to sell 2.85 million shares, while the JV partner Sun Life intends to offload 36 million shares via the IPO. So interesting IPO. Let's keep an eye out on that as well. That will be coming up very soon. Now, Route Mobile in focus after the company says that the system that its systems are secure, but have engaged in third-party cyber security consultant to independently verify and audit its system and will take the corrective actions if needed. So, Route Mobile also in focus post this clarification also coming in from the management. 5paisa Capital up as much as 20% in trade as a discount broker said on Tuesday that it will raise around 250 crores by allotting shares and warrants on a preferential basis to the institutional shareholders and promoters. So these are the stocks that have been moving in trade today, and let's keep an eye out on how the markets end at 3:30 p.m. today.